Frozen wings in the air fryer again. I'm going to redo this one because my other one, my sound went out. I had a new camera, so got the hater cycle gang came out. So we're just taking these frozen wings. This is for naked wings, no batter on them. If you want batter on them, you're going to want to thaw them out and do them regular. Or you can thaw them out in here and then take them back out and batter them up. I'm going to load this up and then I'll show you. Alright, so I got them 15, 16 wings in here, something like that, overlapping. They're going to shrink up here when they cook, but trust me, these things come out so good in this air fryer. I have a deep fried wing since I bought this thing, but you make fun of my girl colored ones, the only one I had left at the damn place. But so we're just going to put it in at about 350. So we'll set the temperature down and just watch it. We're going to do it probably 5 minutes, and it's going to thaw them out, and then we're going to drain the water out and put them to turn the temperature up. I'll show you here, but this is super easy. Ain't no problem. Alright, 5 minutes is up. See, they're nice and thawed now, right? And they're going to have a bunch of juice because it's all the water they shove them full of. See all that water? So you're just going to drain, dump it out, put them back in, arrange them, and cook them again. Here, hold on. I'm just showing you to drain the water out. That's my main intent here. So, then you want to layer them. I like to put them all the same direction, skin side up. And when you flip them, everything will be good, you know, even. Now I'm going to put it back in for like 380 for probably 10 minutes, and then look at them. You just got to keep looking at stuff in these things. Everybody wants to know how long does it take to do this and that. But just put stuff in and experiment with it and watch it. Just keep your eye on it. Cook them as long as you like. Extra crispy or what? Everybody likes them different, so you'll get used to how long it takes. But I know they'll be good for 11 minutes in there at 380 before I have to flip them. So, all right. Here's 11 minutes. I'm just going to flip them over and put them back in. Same thing. And then I'm going to turn it up to 400 to brown them up good. I'm going to flip them over here. See, I got a liquid again. So just dump the liquid out again. See that? Just going to dump it out like I did last time. Now back in. Go ahead and do 390. And 12 minutes. That's it. Just cook them like normal is all we're doing now. So some people would say these are done right now, and they're, you know, if that's how you like them. But I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna keep cooking them until they're more crispy. But technically they're done, you know, edible, you know, up to temperature. So cook them how you want them. All right, here's after another 11 minutes. So now I'm going to kick it up to 400. And just watch them for another 5 minutes, probably 6 minutes. Flip them again, do the other side. That's it. Put them in my hot sauce, good to go. So they work, they taste just as good as doing them thawed out wings, so I really can't tell the difference. So, that's it. Thanks for watching.